The lights are shining like the sun out tonight. Just keep your body moving how I like. Oh yeah, the music feels like paradise. Can't get any better, no. I wanna stay right in this moment for life. Baby, treat me wrong, treat me right. Just can't stop dancing. Don't wanna chance it. So don't let go of me. Don't let go of me. I just can't stop dancing. Again now, spin around now, down now, to the floor now. Your mind is going places I can feel. That further lets me know this is real.
Give me everything tonight. For all we know, we might not get tomorrow. Let's do it tonight. Let's do it tonight. Grab somebody sexy, tell them, hey, give me everything tonight. Give me everything tonight. Give me everything tonight.
Get low when the whistle go. Get low when the whistle go. Get low.
Chapter 5. International Bits.
It's the Big Room Blitz.
Turn it up. Shatta got the plan, man. Always like a grand slam. Big shot, hole in one. Shot a lot, it's on the run. Crack of the whip, snap attack. Bar so tight, front to back. I reach my fate at the gates. God say Shatta, you was great.
I'm shopping and my bag filled with options, so don't ask what it costs. I'm in the Maserati coupe going so fast that I lost them, and my bitch got so much swag that these bad bitches on us. Killing y'all, blah.
Put your flags up in the sky, put 'em in the sky. And wave 'em side to side, side to side. Show the world where you're from, show 'em where you're from. Show the world we are one. When the going gets tough,
your world, my world, our world.
When I need motivation, my one solution is my queen, cause she stays strong. Yeah, yeah. She is always in my corner, right there when I wanna. All these other girls are tempting, but I'm empty when you're gone. And they say, do you need me? Do you think I'm pretty? Do I make you feel like cheating? I'm like, no, not really, cause oh, I think that I found myself a cheerleader. She is always right there when I need her. Oh, I think that I found myself a cheerleader. She is always right there when I need her.
И aplaus FC Elva tantsutüdrukud ja me näeme täna neid veel korra.